Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA MX722 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX722 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be a Canon website here. It says Canon support for PIXMA MX722. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're on the support page here, you want to just scroll down and then select software and drivers. Scrolling down again, you want to select the item in here that says MX720 series MP drivers for Windows. Go ahead and select that, assuming that you have the Windows option that you wanted to have these drivers for. If you're on a Mac, obviously there would be different options that you'd be selecting there. And then you just would follow along with the on-screen directions here, accepting the end user license terms. And it shouldn't take very long to get that set up. And then once that is set up here, you can select what kind of configuration you're looking for, whether you're going to be using a wireless LAN connection with a wired LAN connection or via USB. Make your selection, then you would select next and then follow along with the on-screen prompts. And that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.